Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $7,500 per month just by answering the questions, just by commenting. So if you like to teach people, if you're an expert in some field, then this might be a good way for you to make money online, and also this is really easy way for you to make money online. And the website I'm talking about is called Studypool. And here you can see 24/7 student help. So basically, college students who didn't pay attention on classes or who need additional explanations, they come on this website in hope to find answers. Here you can see over 20 million study documents. And here you can see they work with some really big companies. And here you can see how this works. Student posts a question, it gets connected with the tutor, and the tutor explains an answer on their question. And here you can see all the categories: business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, and so on and so on. And when you click here you can see subcategories, okay? And when you scroll here you can see you can even sell documents. All you have to do is just click here on sell documents, and here you can see how you can sell these documents. For example, this document here is 9 pages. It was sold 734 times. It earned $4,400, $3,000, $300, $1,200, $3,400, and so on and so on. You can even sell your own documents. Okay, let me just close this. And here you can see some documents. And like I said, we actually wish to make money with this website, and that means we actually wish to be tutors. We wish to answer on student questions. So you need to click here on become a tutor, okay? Because we wish to teach them. And here you can see homework questions. Earn up to $7,500 per month working with students. Lowest service fee. It is only 20%. Now actually it is not lowest, it is average service fee. It is just 20%. Here you can see reliable income. Here you can see full freedom and flexibility. So basically you choose with who you work, how much you work, and what actually you are working. And here you can see how this actually works. Student ask a specific question, that is important. Tutor answer via text, providing full explanation and answer on that specific question. And here you can see student and tutor communicate over chat messenger on this website. And here you can see tutor sessions are one time, one question based. So that means that one person, one student cannot ask you 10, 15, 20, 50 questions. They can only ask you one question. If they wish to ask you more questions, then they need to pay more. And here you can see recent questions. Here you can see $5, $15, $3, $20, and so on. And here you can see engineering stress and strain explanation with the graph. $40, okay? And when I click here you can see this is the question, this is how it looks. I'm guessing according to the avatar some girl asked this question, and here you can see according to the avatar some guy answered on this question, and here you can see how your answer should look like. And this guy who answered this question, he earned $40 for providing this answer on the question. So let me close here. And there are questions every day on this website. And look at this, highest earners. This person here earned $91,000 on this website so far. $89,000, $77,000, $76,000, $71,000, and so on and so on. And here you can see popular tutor countries. This website is available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can use this website to help students and to make money online. And to become tutor, you need to scroll down up here and then click here on apply now. And you need to enter your email, your username, your password. Click here create account, and also you need to click here become a tutor. You need to confirm your email, and after that you will be redirected to your dashboard where you need to fulfill your profile. You need to add some basic data, your name, your expertise, your college degree, and stuff like that. You need to confirm that you're expert in some fields, and after that you can start making money with Studypool, and you can start helping these students. And like I said, you can make from just $3 all the way to $40 per answer that you provide. And you can make, as you saw, you can make up to $7,500 per month just by commenting, just by answering on students' questions. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.